Starting a drop shipping business can be an exciting and lucrative venture, but it is not without its challenges. Many entrepreneurs make common mistakes that can hinder the success of their business. In this article, we will discuss 15 common mistakes to avoid when starting a drop shipping business and provide practical examples and data information for each point. By avoiding these mistakes and implementing best practices, you can build a successful drop shipping business and achieve long-term profitability. Welcome to Double Z, and thank you for tuning in. Whether you're starting a drop shipping business or looking to grow an existing one, I'm here to provide you with valuable insights, practical examples, and data information to help you achieve your goals. Number 1. Choosing a niche based solely on passion. One common mistake that many dropshippers make is choosing a niche based solely on their personal passion or interest, without considering market demand or profitability. For example, let's say you're passionate about knitting, and you decide to start a dropshipping business selling knitting supplies. However, if the demand for knitting supplies is low or there is already a lot of competition in the market, you may struggle to make sales and generate profits. According to Statista, only 36% of online businesses that were started between 2014 and 2018 were still operating in 2019. One reason for this is that many entrepreneurs choose a niche based on their passion or interest rather than considering market demand or profitability. Number 2. Failing to conduct thorough market research. Before launching a dropshipping business, it's essential to conduct thorough market research to identify profitable niches, assess competition, and understand customer behavior. For instance, if you're planning to sell pet products, you can use tools like Google Trends, Google AdWords Keyword Planner, and Amazon bestsellers to identify popular pet products and evaluate competition. According to a survey by BigCommerce, 42% of small businesses fail because of a lack of market need. Conducting thorough market research can help you identify profitable niches, evaluate competition, and understand customer behavior. Number 3. Choosing the wrong dropshipping platform. There are several dropshipping platforms available, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. Choosing the wrong platform can result in a lack of features, poor user experience, or high fees. For example, if you're planning to sell in multiple countries, you should choose a platform that offers multi-currency support and multiple language translations. According to Built With, as of 2021, Shopify is the most popular e-commerce platform, powering over 1.9 million websites worldwide. However, it's essential to choose a platform that aligns with your business needs and goals. Number 4. Failing to establish a brand identity. Building a strong brand identity is essential for standing out in a crowded dropshipping market. A lack of brand identity can make it challenging to build customer trust and loyalty. For instance, you can create a unique brand name, logo, and website design that align with your niche and target audience. According to Overlow, building a strong brand identity can help increase customer loyalty and trust, resulting in higher customer retention rates and increased revenue. Number 5. Ignoring shipping and delivery times. Dropshipping businesses rely on third-party suppliers to fulfill orders, which can lead to delays in shipping and delivery times. Ignoring shipping times can result in poor customer reviews and damage your reputation. For example, you can provide customers with clear information about shipping times and tracking information to improve their overall experience. According to a survey by MetaPack, 96% of customers say that delivery speed is important when shopping online, and 45% say they're willing to pay extra for faster shipping. Number 6. Underestimating marketing costs. Marketing is essential for attracting customers and driving sales in dropshipping. Underestimating marketing costs can result in a lack of traffic and low sales. For instance, you can allocate a budget for paid advertising, social media marketing, and influencer marketing to increase your reach and visibility. According to a survey by HubSpot, 26% of businesses fail because they don't have enough money. Number 7. Overpricing products. Setting high prices for products can make it difficult to compete in a crowded dropshipping market. Overpricing products can also result in low sales and a lack of customer trust. For example, you can research competitors' pricing and adjust your pricing strategy accordingly to stay competitive. According to a survey by First Insight, 56% of customers say that price is the most important factor when making a purchase decision. Overpricing products can result in low sales and a lack of customer trust. Number 8. Failing to optimize product descriptions. Product descriptions play a crucial role in attracting customers and convincing them to make a purchase. Failing to optimize product descriptions can result in low conversion rates and poor search engine visibility. For instance, you can include relevant keywords, product benefits, and clear images to improve your product descriptions. According to a study by eConsultancy, product descriptions are the second most important factor influencing purchase decisions after price. Optimizing product descriptions can help increase conversion rates and improve search engine visibility. Number 9. Neglecting customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for building customer trust and loyalty. Neglecting customer service can result in negative reviews and damage your reputation. For example, you can provide customers with timely responses, easy returns, and clear refund policies to improve their experience. According to a survey by PwC, 59% of customers say that customer service is more important than price when choosing a brand. Neglecting customer service can result in negative reviews and damage your reputation. Number 10. Failing to diversify product offerings. Relying on a single product or niche can make your business vulnerable to market fluctuations and changes in demand. Failing to diversify product offerings can result in a lack of sales and revenue. For example, you can expand your product offerings to include complementary products or related niches. According to a study by McKinsey, 85% of e-commerce sales come from repeat customers. Diversifying product offerings can help increase customer retention rates and drive revenue growth. Number 11. Choosing unreliable suppliers. Choosing unreliable suppliers can result in delayed shipments, low-quality products, and poor customer reviews. It's crucial to choose suppliers who have a track record of delivering high-quality products and timely shipments. For instance, you can research suppliers and read reviews from other dropshippers to ensure that you're partnering with reliable suppliers. According to a survey by Statista, 59% of consumers say that shipping and delivery reliability is the most important factor when shopping online. Choosing reliable suppliers can help ensure timely shipments and high-quality products. Number 12. Failing to calculate profit margins accurately. Dropshipping businesses rely on profit margins to generate revenue and sustain the business. Failing to calculate profit margins accurately can result in pricing products too low or too high, affecting profitability. For example, you can calculate all the expenses, including the cost of goods, shipping fees, and transaction fees, and determine the right profit margin to ensure profitability. According to a survey by Xero, 62% of small businesses fail because of cash flow problems. Calculating profit margins accurately is crucial to ensure profitability and sustainability. Number 13. Ignoring SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is essential for improving your website's visibility and driving traffic to your dropshipping store. Ignoring SEO can result in low search engine rankings and a lack of traffic. For instance, you can optimize your website's content, meta tags, and URLs to improve your SEO. According to a study by Bright Edge, organic search drives 53% of website traffic. Ignoring SEO can result in low search engine rankings and a lack of traffic. Number 14. Failing to test products before selling. Testing products before selling is crucial to ensure that they meet customer expectations and are of high quality. Failing to test products can result in negative reviews and damage your reputation. For example, you can order sample products from suppliers and test them before adding them to your store. According to a survey by McKinsey, 70% of buying experiences are based on how the customer feels they are being treated. Testing products before selling can help ensure customer satisfaction and prevent negative reviews. Number 15. Giving up too soon. Starting a dropshipping business requires patience, persistence, and dedication. Giving up too soon can result in a lack of sales and missed opportunities for growth. For example, you can stay motivated by setting achievable goals, tracking progress, and learning from failures. According to a survey by Small Business Trends, 42% of entrepreneurs say that persistence is the key to success. Staying motivated and persistent can help you overcome challenges and achieve long-term success. By avoiding these common mistakes and implementing best practices, you can set yourself up for success when starting a dropshipping business. Conducting thorough market research, establishing a strong brand identity, diversifying product offerings, and providing excellent customer service are just a few of the key strategies to consider. With persistence, dedication, and the right approach, you can build a successful dropshipping business and achieve your entrepreneurial goals. Thank you for watching this video on Double Z. I hope you found the information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Double Z channel for more valuable content on dropshipping, e-commerce, and entrepreneurship.